What is up, you guys? We're back today on a video, and today we're playing Adopt Me because it came out with a new update, and yeah. So I'm just gonna turn this down a little bit. And so, updates: Monkey Fairgrounds first visit, 6 new monkey pets from boxes, new fairground themed items. Tap to unlock. Okay, so I'm gonna be a parent. So I forgot what it looked like in Adopt Me. Okay. Okay, we're gonna teleport to the fairground. So let's see how. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. Talk. Equip a regular monkey you want to transform. A regular monkey wants to transform. Okay. 600. Okay. What about this one? Buy premium monkey. Okay. So we're gonna buy a monkey box. Okay. Okay, new items. Clown unicycle, a monkey, and a simple ingredient. Nice. Oh my god, it's adorable. I need another one of these. I really need another one of these. Yeah. Okay. I'm opening this again. Yay. Oh, okay. Okay, cotton candy. Hip. I can't even say it. Okay, so we got a frisbee, another monkey, and cotton candy. Lay down. Beg. Okay, yeah, you're going crazy. What is wrong with you? Oh my god, guys, these are so cute. And also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And I will be giving some away or some animals away if you join my game. So, yeah, I know they're not good, but we're gonna do a game, and whoever actually wins that game is going to get this fly ride sloth. So yeah. Okay. So now we're just gonna go make more money so we can buy another one of these so we can make a neon before they're all gone. So yeah. So let's get our monkey out. Yeah. Okay. Let's get that monkey out. So it needs sleep. Okay, so let's teleport. Oh, well, not teleport. Vehicles. Let's see. This is an uncommon. Okay, we'll use our black car. Because yes. Okay. So I'm just gonna help me. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're bad at driving. Okay. Yep, we're bad at driving. Well. That's what I get for going on a phone. Oh. Okay. We made it. Perfect. So yeah. So now where is home? Over here. Okay. So we're just gonna drive home. And actually I was going to get the pirate's house, but I needed money so I can at least get some of the stuff for it. So I just didn't get it, and I just wasted half my money, or 3/4 of my money on 2 monkeys and some other things. So we got a picnic. I don't know how to say it. I'm stupid. I don't know how to say it, but it's a frisbee. So let's go make our monkey catch it. Go get it. Bruh. You didn't even get it. What the hell? Is my monkey even here? Okay. Can you get my frisbee? Can you get my frisbee? This dude. This dude. Okay. So I'm gonna throw this and you're gonna go catch it. Okay? Go. Oh, good boy. Again. Oh, good boy. He's a good boy. Okay, now for, what's this? Go to the monkey fairground to use this item. Okay. I don't know how to use this. Oh, we give it to Toy Monkey. Okay. I'm Toy Monkey, master of fun. Give me 3 symbols. Wait, give me 3 symbols and I will teach your monkey how to spread joy like me. Oh no, you don't have enough. I need 3 symbols to transform your monkey. What about you, dude? I'm King Monkey, master of all. Give me 3 staffs and I will teach your monkey how to rule responsibility like me. Okay. Your gift is unworthy. Return with 3 staffs to transform your monkey. Okay, I get it. So what about these dudes? I'm Ninja Monkey, master of stealth. Give me 3 scrolls and I will teach your monkey how to walk the path of a ninja. This is not enough. I need 3 scrolls to show your monkey the way of ninja. Okay. What about you, business monkey? I am Business Monkey, master of economics. For 3 briefcases, I will teach your monkey the finely detailed business. This won't do it all. I need 3 briefcases to transform your monkey. Okay, now we're being glitchy. Please don't know. Okay, so we're practically in a Spanish server right now. Okay, what do you need to do? Okay, let's see if we got any of those potions from Christmas. Yep, we have 1 more. So let's just save all of those. Or, whoa, the Spy Puma, whoa. I like your Spy Puma. Oh wait, they have new items in the sea, yeah, the sea thingy. Okay, let's go check that out, I guess. Because yes. Whoa. Okay. I don't want to waste my cotton candy right now. We're just gonna get Carla here. We're gonna fly her. See what else we can put on this diva. I swear, if there's a diamond, then I'm so getting it. Don't care how much it is. But I just wasted all my money on that, so I don't know why it's so much though. I mean, it's fine, but it's a line. Okay. Oh my god. Is this a beret? Oh, it's a chef hat. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cute. No, they don't have the detective. Okay, that's 100. So I want to buy that. Definitely. Purchase successful. Your white button is now in your inventory. 2,500, 250, 150. I guess we can get a chef hat. Cause why not? Cancel. Okay. Now, Carla, we have to dress you up, girl. Hats. We're gonna give you a chef hat. Okay. And then we're gonna give you that. Because you're a chef now. How cute. I want a chef hat in my hand. I really don't. Okay. Alright. But that's it for today, guys. Make sure to hit the like button, that subscribe button, and that bell button. Bye. Love you all so much.